English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us again today.
Today's topic is one of the best parts of traveling.
Yes, today we're talking about travel English at restaurants.
Eating out is a highlight of any trip.
But ordering food in another language can be stressful.
Don't worry, we've got you covered.
Questions like,
A table for two, please.
what do you recommend?
Can I see the menu, please?
Could we have the bill?
After today, you'll be able to handle any restaurant situation.
Let's start from the beginning.
Arriving at the restaurant.
When you walk in, the host will greet you.
They might say,
Welcome. How many people?
Do you have a reservation?
Would you like a table inside or outside?
Repeat. Welcome. How many people? Do you have a reservation? Would you like a table inside or outside?
You can answer,
A table for two, please.
yes, I have a reservation under Emma Chen.
Outside, please. It's a nice evening.
Repeat. A table for two, please. Yes, I have a reservation under Emma Chen. Outside, please. It's a nice evening.
Let's practice arriving at a restaurant.
Welcome. How many people?
Just two, please.
Right this way. Here's your menu.
Thank you. Simple and easy. Now, let's talk about looking at the menu.
Sometimes menus can be confusing.
Excuse me, what's this dish?
Is this spicy?
What comes with this?
Do you have a menu in English?
What's the soup of the day?
Repeat. Excuse me, what's this dish here? Is this spicy? What comes with this? Do you have a menu in English? What's the soup of the day?
The server might explain.
It's a traditional stew with beef and vegetables.
It's mild, not too spicy.
It comes with rice and a salad.
Yes, I'll bring you an English menu.
Repeat. It's a traditional stew with beef and vegetables. It's mild, not too spicy. It comes with rice and a salad. Yes, I'll bring you an English menu.
Let's practice asking about the menu.
Excuse me, what's this dish here?
That's our local specialty, grilled fish with herbs.
Sounds good. Is it spicy?
Just a little. It has a mild chili sauce.
Good to ask.
Now, let's talk about ordering food.
When you're ready, the server will come.
Are you ready to order?
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
For the starter, I'd like the soup.
As a main course, the pasta.
Can I get the steak medium rare?
Repeat. Are you ready to order? I'll have the grilled chicken, please. For the starter, I'd like the soup. As a main course, the pasta. Can I get the steak medium rare?
You might also need to specify.
With no onions, please.
Can I have the sauce on the side?
Extra cheese, please.
Without meat, I'm vegetarian.
Repeat. With no onions, please. Can I have the sauce on the side? Extra cheese, please. Without meat, I'm vegetarian.
Let's practice ordering.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the Caesar salad to start and then the grilled salmon.
How would you like the salmon cooked?
Medium, please. Clear order. Now, let's talk about ordering drinks.
Drinks are often ordered separately.
Can I get a glass of water?
I'd like a Coke, please.
What wines do you have by the glass?
A beer, please. Local is fine.
Just water for now, thanks.
Repeat. Can I get a glass of water? I'd like a Coke, please. What wines do you have by the glass? A beer, please. Local is fine. Just water for now, thanks.
The server might ask,
Still or sparkling water?
Would you like ice?
Any drinks to start?
Repeat. Still or sparkling water? Would you like ice? Any drinks to start? Let's practice ordering drinks.
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, a sparkling water, please, and a glass of red wine.
Any particular wine?
What do you recommend?
Good questions.
Now, let's talk about special requests and dietary needs.
If you have allergies or restrictions, speak up.
I'm allergic to nuts.
I can't eat gluten.
Is this dish dairy-free?
Do you have vegetarian options?
Can you make this without shellfish? I'm allergic to nuts. I can't eat gluten. Is this dish dairy-free? Do you have vegetarian options? Can you make this without shellfish? Thank you for letting me know. I'll tell the chef. We can make that without nuts. Yes, we have several vegetarian dishes. I'll check with the kitchen about cross-contamination. I'm allergic to nuts. I can't eat gluten. Is this dish dairy-free? Do you have vegetarian options? Can you make this without shellfish? I'm allergic to nuts. I can't eat gluten. Is this dish dairy-free? Do you have vegetarian options? Can you make this without shellfish? I checked with the chef. The sauce might contain nuts.
If it does, I'll order something else.
I'll find out for you. Always ask. Now, let's talk about during the meal.
Sometimes you need something while eating.
Excuse me, could we have more bread?
Can I get another drink?
This isn't what I ordered.
The steak is a bit overcooked.
Everything is delicious, thank you.
Excuse me, could we have more bread? Can I get another drink? This isn't what I ordered. The steak is a bit overcooked. Everything is delicious, thank you.
Of course, I'll bring more bread. I'm so sorry, let me fix that for you. I'll have the kitchen cook it more. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Of course, I'll bring more bread. I'm so sorry, let me fix that for you. I'll have the kitchen cook it more. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Excuse me, could we have some more water?
Of course, I'll bring a fresh pitcher.
Thanks, and everything is great, by the way.
I'm so glad.
Nice interaction. Now let's talk about asking for the bill.
When you're done, you need to pay.
Could we have the bill, please?
Check, please.
Can we pay separately? Is service included? Do you take credit cards?
Could we have the bill, please? Check, please. Can we pay separately? Is service included? Do you take credit cards?
Here's your bill. Take your time. Yes, we can split it. Service is not included. We accept all cards.
Here's your bill. Take your time. Yes, we can split it. Service is not included. We accept all cards.
Could we have the bill, please?
Certainly. Here you go.
Thanks. Can we split it, one card and one cash?
No problem at all.
Easy. Now let's talk about tipping.
Tipping customs vary by country.
In the US, tip 15 to 20%. In Europe, service is often included. In Japan, tipping can be rude. You can ask, is tipping customary here? How much should I tip? Should I leave cash or add it to the card?
Is tipping customary here? How much should I tip? Should I leave cash or add it to the card?
Service is included, so no need to tip. The usual tip is around 10%. You can add it to the card or leave cash.
Service is included, so no need to tip. The usual tip is around 10%. You can add it to the card or leave cash.
Is tipping expected here?
It's appreciated but not required. 10% is fine if you're happy.
Great, I'll leave cash. Good to know. Now, let's talk about compliments and feedback.
If you loved the meal, tell them.
Everything was delicious.
The service was excellent.
Please give our compliments to the chef.
We'll definitely come back.
This is the best meal we've had.
Everything was delicious. The service was excellent. Please give our compliments to the chef. We'll definitely come back. This is the best meal we've had.
The staff will appreciate it. Now, let's practice giving compliments.
That was amazing. Please tell the chef.
I will. So glad you enjoyed it.
We'll be back for sure.
Makes everyone happy. Now, let's learn some important vocabulary for restaurant situations. This time, we'll put each word in a sentence to help you remember.
Reservation. Booking a table. Do you have a reservation for tonight?
Menu. List of food options. Can I see the menu, please?
Special. A dish not always available. What's today's special?
Appetizer. A small dish before the main meal. We'll start with an appetizer.
Starter. Another word for appetizer. For a starter, I'll have the soup.
Main course. The main dish. My main course is the grilled fish.
Dessert. Sweet food after the meal. Save room for dessert.
Beverage, a drink. Would you like a beverage with your meal?
Waiter. Waitress. The person serving you. I'll ask the waiter for more water.
Server, a gender-neutral term for waiter or waitress. Our server was very friendly.
Chef. The person who cooks. Compliments to the chef.
Bill, or check, what you pay. Could we have the bill, please?
Tip. Extra money for service. In the US, you should leave a tip.
Service charge, a fee already added to the bill. The service charge is included.
Cover charge. A fee for being seated. Some restaurants have a cover charge.
Allergy, a bad reaction to certain foods. I have a nut allergy.
Vegetarian. Doesn't eat meat. Do you have vegetarian options?
Vegan, doesn't eat any animal products. Is this dish vegan?
Gluten-free. Without gluten. I need a gluten-free menu.
Rare, lightly cooked steak. I like my steak rare.
Medium. Steak cooked pink inside. Medium, please.
Well done, fully cooked steak. Well done, no pink. Great vocabulary. These words will help you at any restaurant. Now let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. I want eat.
Correct, I'd like to eat, or I want to eat.
Mistake number 2. Give me menu.
Correct, can I have the menu, please?
Mistake number 3. How much?
Correct, how much is it? Or, what's the price?
Mistake number 4. I am full.
This is correct, but I'm stuffed is more casual. Let's practice. I'd like to order the fish. Can I have the menu, please? How much is the steak? I'm stuffed. That was amazing.
Perfect.
Now, here are some idioms about eating out.
To eat out. To dine at a restaurant. We love to eat out on weekends.
To have a sweet tooth. To love sweet foods. Save room for dessert. I have a sweet tooth.
To be on the house. Free. Paid by the restaurant. The dessert was on the house.
To pig out. To eat a lot. We pigged out on pizza.
To have a doggy bag. To take leftovers home. Can I have a doggy bag?
Repeat. Eat out. Sweet tooth. On the house. Pig out. Doggy bag.
Before we finish, let's review.
We learned how to arrive at a restaurant.
A table for 2, please.
We learned how to ask about the menu.
What's this dish?
We learned how to order food.
I'll have the grilled chicken.
We learned how to order drinks.
A glass of water, please.
We learned about dietary needs.
I'm allergic to nuts.
We learned how to handle problems.
This isn't what I ordered.
We learned how to ask for the bill.
Could we have the bill, please?
We learned about tipping.
Is tipping customary here?
We learned how to give compliments.
Everything was delicious.
We learned important vocabulary with example sentences.
And we fixed some common mistakes.
That's everything you need for restaurants while traveling.
Here's your challenge for today.
Next time you're at a restaurant, practice ordering in English.
Even if you're in your own country.
I'd like the steak, medium rare.
Can I have the sauce on the side?
Could we have the bill, please?
Practice until it feels natural.
Now, go to the comments.
Tell us about a memorable restaurant experience while traveling.
Was the food amazing? Did you have trouble ordering?
For example, in Italy, I tried to order in Italian, but the waiters spoke English and helped me.
That's so kind.
Or, I ordered something I couldn't pronounce and ended up with a surprise dish. It was delicious.
Sometimes mistakes are happy accidents.
Share your restaurant stories with us.
And if this episode helped you,
Please subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We post new English conversations every day.
Next time, we'll talk about another everyday topic.
You'll have to come back to find out.
Until next time, keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep speaking English.
Thanks for joining us at English Dialogue Studio.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.